Welcome to SOTD, my TikTok series wherein I will test out fragrances under extreme circumstances to give you the projection and longevity to give you the performance. In today's episode, alam ko hindi ko pa na nare-review pero excited akong gamitin siya ngayon. I have here HSI Motivational Gold Aventus. I haven't fully worn this one since ayoko muna siyang i-review dahil lang akong pang-amoy. But this one is next on the line, so I guess it's the perfect time to use it on SOTD before reviewing the whole HSI line again for the second time. You know, since yung una kong HSI Motivational is not that kind of good. But Motivational is supposed to be the better version ng Signature. Maybe not on the scent-wise, but on the performance-wise. It's supposed to last longer. And based on my experience, yes, it lasts longer and it sticks to the skin kahit na naligo na ako. Anyways, let's wear this. So I guess I'll just use 5. And sa mga nagtahanap ngayon, okay, hairspray. And also, lagay tayo dito. Ayun lang, yun lang yung spray ko and I hope this would perform well. Yeah, I forgot to describe the smell. It is almost, di ko sabing kaamoy talaga yung si Creed Aventus, but it is almost the same scent as the OG Creed Aventus. Maybe it's more like a Father and Son Debonair, sabi nga ng iba, and guys, legit nga, kaamoy talaga niya si Father and Son Debonair. And all I can say, nakuha naman yung DNA, and I think this is much fruitier compared to the OG Creed Aventus, which is, you know, mas wearable siya sa climate or sa weather natin dito sa Pilipinas ngayon. So yun na nga, samahan niyo ako ngayon, shopping spree ng day 2, since marami pa akong regaluhan, and I have to go maaraw ulit. So, let's see kung ano nga ba magiging performance ni HSI Motivational. So, after nga nun, pumunta kami sa Robinsons Mall, Pangasinan, to buy some shoes since kailangan naman ng shoes for the Christmas evening. So, yun. Tamang shopping lang. Tingin ng pants. Oh my God, ang mahal dito. Unika iha, grabe naman. Anyways, we went to GB or GB. I don't know the pronunciation of this one, but yeah. Smell test muna tayo. Meron pa naman. So yun, she bought her shoes. It's high boots. Ewan ko ba gusto niya ng shoes eh. Yun, nagpapakit lang muna siya. Sabi niya, pakit lang siya. And then yun, naglibot-libot lang kami to, you know, pass some time. And look what I found. Oh my God, these are legit perfumes. Kaso nga lang medyo mahal. After nun is, lumabas kami para mag-picture-picture. Yo, panoorin mo ako sa amin. Sabi niya, tamang ganyan lang kami. Maraming tanga dyan. Anyways, after nyan is pumunta kami sa kainan. We went to Dago Peña. Medyo fancy yung place, pero medyo pricey yung food, tapos hindi maganda yung quality. Anyways, tinanong ko siya ako, namin pa ba niya ako. Namin niya ako, medyo malapit. Sabi niya, oo. And then, after nun, we went to 7-Eleven para umuwi na. Kasi nakabili na kami ng shoes, so after nun, uwi na kami. So it's your boy Creed, just got back home again, and all I can say is that HSI Motivational Gold Aventus really did live up to the expectation. Na-expect ko para lang siyang Signature since yung smell niya, I mean, magkaiba. I thought this is the weaker one, but I'm wrong. When it comes to performance, the juice quality, this one is better, motivational line. Ang comment ko lang siguro is yung scent niya, magkaiba pan opening pero dry down. Pare-pareho lang naman sila pan dry down. And then the projection is there, kahit na naarawan na ako, ang daming usok, traffic once again, malikabok, naamoy pa rin ako in a few meters radius, siguro 1 or 2 meter, I don't know. Sabi sa kanya girlfriend ko, naamoy pa rin naman niya ako pagka-uwi namin. And so far, all I can say is that this one is better than any other Aventus clone. So, kung maghanap ka man ng Aventus inspired, I think HSI Motivational Gold Aventus would be my new Aventus standard. Maybe in between silang dalawa ni Debonair. Since Debonair is, you know, supposed to be the better Aventus clone or inspired, but it turns out there's a cheaper one, and HSI Motivational Gold Aventus Gold is the one for you. If naghanap pa man ng Aventus na inspired, then HSI Gold Aventus, or Aventus Gold, sorry, nagkakamali ako, is the one for you. Yun lang naman, wala na akong comment. I think magre-review na rin ako ng HSI Motivational after I edit this video. So yun lang guys. Peace.